Hello and welcome back to Space Engineers. Thank you very much for joining us in today's video. Last time out, or in this extra video should I say, last time out, worked a little bit on the front. Hayes did the majority of the work on the front. Jake gave some suggestions as to how he wanted the hangar bay, so started doing that. Looked at extending the front of the ship a little. Got the hangar bay working, engine pods, or a bit more going on with them. Recessed guns. Yes, we have some recessed turrets like this, which does look rather nice on the side, and things are working on the interior with the new Signal DLC with these bay windows, which do work quite nicely, and the consoles inside, which we will be getting back to at some point, but the exterior is important. Do not mind these deuterium reactors, they are just there for moral support. In today's video, we are going to be perhaps finishing off this hangar bay, perhaps doing some work at the front of the ship, and perhaps doing a whole bunch of other things. In fact, everything is a perhaps. So make sure you stay tuned, and let's get started.
Okay, Sus, what do you think about something like that behind the bridge?
Let me. I'm breaking your stuff down here, so let me come.
Well, because of course you are.
I don't know having the thing is that you probably want to have the bridge fitted.
Well, the bridge ends here.
Yeah.
So I mean, I could easily make a nice extension that goes into this turret thing if we do this.
Yeah. But would we want to have turrets there in like guns, or do we want to have something like missile?
We're very front heavy on guns. It would be nice with a bit more in the rear.
I think the reason we did the whole idea of being front heavy on the guns was that we're going in forward.
Sure.
So, but we could do with some rear.
Well, if you come behind the bridge, I put something down just as a what? Oh, I mean, those would be pretty cool if we recess them down.
Yeah.
1 or 2 blocks.
Even now, you probably have to put them all. But for those, you need to do like what I did. You need to have a solid. You need to have a blaster over it, so you can just literally.
Oh. They can't be recessed though, cause hangar.
Yeah.
Right, what are we looking? Yes. Do you think?
I mean, this is just a.
Could you integrate that somehow into the wing, the foil, the
spoiler?
The design.
Oh yeah.
Is that? I think if we could integrate that in, that would work really nicely. Because then, instead of this bit here. If you somehow manage to push that a little bit back, extend that forward, integrate that in, and then maybe even connect it up to this bridge module somehow.
Yeah.
Because at the moment, I will be honest, despite the fact that I designed this bit here looks a bit out of place. It's just like, okay, I'm sticking in here, but I'm doing nothing.
Ooh.
There's no real purpose to that.
No, I got you. I'm already starting to think ideas.
Excellent. Before you think ideas on that, if you just have a peek at the side of the ship towards the front where you've been doing your work, I wanted to do something like this, but I don't think those angles are working.
I like it, actually.
Even though it's not quite...
Yeah, because it's sort of, doing an opposite crisscross kind of...
That's what I wanted to do, and do you know of a block that would fit in here then? I'm assuming that one of these blocks would. Is it? Yeah, it might be this one. Hang on. Is it this one?
These are half blocks. Oh, okay.
Is it this one?
Yeah, no. There is one, yeah.
Okay, I lost my way. What is straight? This is straight.
If you could just figure out what blocks go there, because I'm a bit stuck.
Oh wait,
This was actually part of my original design for the ship, and then we started building it and realised that this slope thing wouldn't work, but now that we've done the front, it sort of works again. Tell you what we could do. Oh no, those are going down there. Okay. Ah, you found them. What are they called?
Light armor, half slope, corner base.
Oh, okay. We need heavy armor.
Oh.
Heavy armor.
Half slope, corner base.
Half slope, corner base. So it's this one. So heavy armor, corner, half slope, not inverted, corner base. Got it. Oh no, that's split base. That's not it. Is it split? No, it's not split base.
You know what we're forgetting?
Go on.
Thrusts.
Thrusters?
Yeah, so...
Well, I mean, I just plunked in all the flat armor in front just to get it ready.
Half slope, corner base.
Jake?
Yep.
Do you think of the rear like this?
1 sec.
Corner.
Oh,
Yeah.
haha.
Yeah.
Base.
The thrusters.
Even put them under the weapons.
That is snazzy.
Yeah. What do you think of the side? I put it in a block and then added some more side guns.
Yeah?
That looks
Those
really
are
nice.
even more recessed, aren't they?
Yes. So that's a block more recessed.
Yeah. Yeah, but that definitely... That would definitely work.
Yeah.
Hey, am I missing something here, or? Oh, never mind. Something got disconnected. That's why.
Ow!
I don't know. I was wondering why I couldn't place a block here. It's because that thing was disconnected and floating in the way.
How was that not connected to the main hull?
I do not know.
Does
There we
not
go.
compute.
Biggest issue will be sidewards thrust.
I mean, we have those all the way down the ship, and we just keep going like
we
that.
We do have.
Oh, we have
room,
those
but-
guys. Yeah, with those
Yeah,
pods. We have
I'm
those,
adding more of them up front, so
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8.
there should be
And-
12, I think, in total. If I get this right.
No, this is 8. Then I have
So-
4 ions, 8 ions, and
Yeah, Jake?
Yep.
Your forward hangar
did you
door, you
put-
want that to be center-lined?
Presumably, yes.
Then
That's-
you could... Then
What
we
did you
could,
put under these, sociopath? Is it just all conveyors?
what? A lot of the stuff is just conveyor. They're just rows of conveyors, yeah.
Then we could
Okay,
put
I
on
need to
either
do the
side
same.
of the main hangar door, we could put 2 big-ass braking thrusters.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not going to be easy.
How far forward is permissible for the hangar bay?
I mean, in my opinion, if we go too
Up
far
to the
forward, it won't
thrusters?
look nice,
up
but,
to this up to this 4-point thruster?
I mean, I guess we can see.
That is going to leave the front of the ship looking a bit, too narrow on the height-wise.
Yeah, that's the concern.
Yeah, but what if you're just gonna recess one more? What if we just do another of those recess sections, Jake?
6.
And I'm not
Yeah.
sure. Should
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
yeah, okay, like that. Mm.
Ah, thank you. I forgot that. I was like, hey, what are you doing?
I just looked a bit off. It looks much nicer now. How would it look if we do?
Right, up front, with these pods that I'm making, the conveyors are going to need a bit of work, but anything that I'm actually putting an outer thing on, I'm putting the conveyors in, so the thrusters, when we decide the weapons, then we can figure out where else we want conveyors. Hydrazine. Thrusters. It's the Rex ones, I believe.
I like the straight edges haze there.
I just wanted to see how this looks.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It looks better with a straight edge.
Well, it's silly because it's totally not aerodynamic to have a flat surface in the front, but yeah.
Well, I mean, yeah, you are right. Aerodynamics is really something important for
Yeah.
a spaceship. I mean, if the new
And then-
Enterprise can fly in atmosphere and go underwater, then why not us?
I haven't even seen.
What?
The
I'm
Chris
not going to
Pine
ask.
Enter-
I'm not
the
going to
Chris
ask.
Pine Enterprises. They're stupid.
Which one is that? Which series?
It's the
Ah,
the remakes.
J.J. Abrams.
Yeah, the ones that don't make any sense whatsoever.
Oh, JJ
But,
I
Price.
thought it was cool.
Does any of them make sense?
Hayes, minor potential problem, or you might have the solution to this. These blocks do not work the way I want them to, because that.
Oh, well, that's because you went too far forward. Like you gotta merge them further back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, because
Like you can only go this far.
so there is a block that will stick out and do merge into that.
Should be, yeah. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, because then all I'll do is budge all these up.
There you go, like that.
Yeah, but can we fit a corner block in there? Because I couldn't.
Yeah, let me just find them.
Okay, I couldn't. It wouldn't let me do it.
Oh bugger, and that's like, oh, what happened?
Goodbye,
He
Hayes.
died.
Well, whilst you're reconnecting, what I will do is I'll move. So it needs to be one block further.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to move everything one block up. I'm having some
Or,
difficulty.
Actually, where I put those two light blocks in, you can go that far, I guess.
What? So where those thrusters were, those thrusters need to remain.
Yeah, but I put in two of the wedges. You can actually remove those and put thrusters in there. That was my
Oh,
brain
okay.
thingy.
Okay, so I'll put the thrusters back in. Yeah, that's fine. So those thrusters there is fine. It's just it might have just been the block that was being, maybe the block's just being uncooperative. Is it? Do I have a cooperative block here? No, I do not. Why do I not have a cooperative block?
For what?
A block that will cooperate. Welcome back. It's because these are like half block thingies. That's
Yeah,
why.
they need to go.
So,
Gadget, I want your opinion on something.
okay, Hayes, will you be able to either fix that or move it one further along, ensuring that the thrusters stay where? So these thrusters stay where they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Yes, Jake.
If you want to head out for a side profile of the ship.
On my way. Okay, I've got the side profile. Ooh.
So the thing to the very front of the ship is the launch tube.
Okay.
Do you think that's a
That
good
could
link?
actually work. It might need a slight reprofile at the front for the angles, but in terms of it actually working on the side profile, it doesn't add too much bulk to the ship. Admittedly, the shape of the ship is now turning a bit more into like a... It's vaguely reminding me of like a Mon Calamari cruiser. But
Okay,
it does... That does work.
That's what you can have.
Alright, I'll be on my way, Hayes. what about that weapon you wanted? So you're going to have a launch tube. Do you want to put like the weapon, those lance kind of weapons on either side of this, I guess, instead of in the middle?
So, I was thinking because those lance weapons are what, too
That will have to do, I think.
too wide. What we could do is have it either above or below the launch path of the fighters, depending on how masochistic the pilots want to be.
Well, I'm thinking we put it directly in the launch path, launch the fighter, and then shoot the fighter.
Yeah. But so the idea is we can either put. I still have the lance.
Ooh.
I have some Predator coil guns. Those will have to do.
Yes, I think I had a rail gun on mine. Hold on, which one did I have? There is a Gravistar pulse laser. No, that doesn't fit on this.
Ooh,
Heavy rail gun.
I got some interesting angles on it now.
Heavy rail gun. I had a LC7 Hunter 405 coil gun. That's what I've got to stick there. That would work. This all works quite nicely. This bit's gone a bit funky.
Yeah, I was about to ask, how do you like this sort of going in and out? You don't like it?
No. Can we just...
Jake?
Can we have just the out? Or is that not possible?
Yeah. No, I'll do.
Yeah,
I
I
mean,
think just...
it's
because...
gonna have to go flat like
Look
this.
from the front.
Oh, it still does the...
Oh, you've added
flat.
hangar bays. Or doors, rather.
Can you not put... Oh, it's because that goes in and then that goes... I see.
That's why the alternative is that where it goes sort of...
Okay, if you leave it like
Penis.
that for now...
We probably have to turn them around.
Doesn't look too
but,
bad. Leave it like that for now, and then when I'll have a look and see what else we've got further down the line.
But we also need space for what was it? Forward-facing thrusters.
Yeah, but those we can still place.
Oh, believe me, I think we can make plenty of room for forward-facing thrusters.
There we can.
I mean, you can also do this gadget if you prefer that. Might actually look nicer.
Jake?
I'm not too sure. That does have a nicer element to it. I think the previous one may just flow a little better.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
It's a good idea, but I think we're potentially too far back for it to make sense with the wider...
Yeah, the issue will be, what I have is this slanting, so either we need to push the...
oh no, that isn't going to
the
work
ship
because
throw
that can't
forward.
be flat. Lost.
What, you wanted to go one for the start?
No,
back here?
no. So if you ever look at the back of... If you go to the back of this entire pod and see what we did. See how we did this? So what I wanted to do is I wanted to replicate that, but on a diagonal.
Actually, that was what I was about to sort of do a bit.
Yeah, so that, but on the diagonal itself. Yeah, so maybe if we just put a single block there, that might help clean it up.
You see this...
that cleans it up perfectly. That'll do.
Side?
Yeah.
I want that
yeah,
one.
that will do.
Another set in front of it.
What do you think
And
if
then have the
you
whole
come
ship
back to look at the
pushing
profile
forward.
with that single block there, does it?
I think it's nice though, in my
So that's
opinion.
extending the ship by 9...
We should ditch
10
this
blocks.
the last thruster here, so it's 4 instead of 5.
Okay.
But how the hell are
think
we
that'll
gonna
look
cut
nicer.
this up
So
and
we just
extend
go-
it 10 blocks in the middle?
And we'll replace that with
I'm
a
sure
heavy armor block.
Point
Or,
that we could do, but it's going to
Cool.
be a pain in the ass.
there we go.
I think we're too far
Light.
through
So that's given us
construction for that.
4,
Get it?
8, 12. Yes.
We have a major issue.
All right, I'm
not
having a
major.
look. By the way, we've got 12 thrusters, side thrusters now, at the front of
Yeah.
the ship, plus the
We-
8 at the
we need
back. So where
we
are
need
you?
to cut the ship in the half and add 10 blocks in the center.
Why?
Because the bottom is not coming out.
Oh,
What do you mean the bottom's not coming out?
Now,
I mean, we can. It is possible for us to. I think we've got points where we can slice this ship.
Not really. Because the
But
place where we want to slice is
I was going to say, where do you want to slice, though?
right where we go from straight to slant.
Okay, not happening.
Wait, what did you do? You want?
Apparently, so we've got some slight problem with the.
So if we want to have, I don't know. If we want to have this bottom section longer, we need to have a wider front body.
Yeah. Effectively, this bit here needs to extend a number of blocks further before it slopes in.
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't we do this? Why don't we do this? Let's grab a blueprint.
Let's wait, Jake. If maybe Jake figure something out.
I was going to say, why don't we grab a blueprint of this ship, cut it using the detach weldy thingy. So cut a number of blocks, detach it with that detach tool, move the ship, put the additional blocks in, weld pad, stick it back together. We'll just have to be careful on which blocks we break.
Give me a sec to figure something out.
Because, whilst Jake is figuring it out, the suggestion I have for that is because then what we can do is we can put what we cut out, we put the projector up, move it into the position of where it should be, and just let that automated tool thing weld bits.
Wait, so what is the issue? You just want the forward section to be 1 block wider on each side, or what?
No.
It's not 1 block. It's
so where are you? You're here.
Jake's
working on it. See this bit here?
Right.
The maximum width. That maximum width, they want to possibly have that 10 blocks further forward, and then the whole front of the section, the whole front of the ship comes in.
Oh.
So effectively, that would mean like your bridge moves 10 blocks further forward as well, and everything. But Jake might have
I get
something.
what Jake is wanting to do, and that might also.
Just give me 1 second to plan this out.
Right, let's have a look at. All right, this bit. I think this bit now works up front, Hayes. So that's that done. And that's plenty of side thrusters now. So that is good. Right, we have no problems with side thrust. We have no problems with forward thrust. Ventral and lateral are going to be an issue. And reverse. No, reverses are... It's fine.
We don't have yet reversing.
It's fine. We'll just plow into anything that gets in our way.
But, I mean,
we have some reverses.
And we do have two big thruster blocks on the top, and we can do the same at the bottom. And Sauce already did at the rear between those weird-ass casemate guns.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't see those, probably.
I haven't seen everything at the back.
Below the ship?
Below the ship. Oh, yes, I've seen the recessed guns, yes. Yeah. Oh, actually, okay, these thrusters are great. That works.
Yeah, and I mean, in the whole big naked space in the front on top. I mean,
we can do it there.
Assuming,
yes.
Yeah.
Those spots here, Hayes, if you look at the bottom, you see the areas with 4 conveyors on the front. Those were meant for thruster pods.
Yeah, remember we had pods, so what we're going to do is probably bring them down, but we need to do the same up top. Now, I did a couple of sessions ago, remember I made the 9x9 pod, and then the 12. So actually, we do have a decent amount of thrust.
Yeah, quite a bit.
We just need a few up front, and that would be it. We've got 4 up front. No, sorry, we have 3. One's gone missing.
But they're very random. Let's just remove those.
Yes, I think let's get rid of those now.
Yeah, but these are the old.
Yeah, so let's get rid of them and replace them.
Those guns can go, and the rail guns can go.
Yeah, so let's start getting rid of some of these. So at least we've got the front cleared. What was that?
Oh, that's the ammo dropping from.
Now, I think if we replicate the kind of pod that I made at the back at the front, that will work, and that should be enough thrust.
But So what you guys are saying is you want to elongate the wide part of the ship?
I think Jake's working on it. He's figuring out another solution, potentially. Right.
Okay, so if we go like that.
Oh, and I guess we probably want guns here too.
I want to place more riptides because those are always nice to have.
What, on the side or underneath?
We underneath we're still gonna need a lot of point defenses.
I think on top we're going to need a lot of point defense too.
Because I don't think the bottom, beside these downward facing.
Okay, here's a question. If we're flying this ship, we get into a battle. If, let's say that it's at the bottom, do we not just want to roll the ship around?
Yeah, you're gonna move the side with the stiff to the most stuff. So for the bottom, we currently just all our weapons can point on the side, can point straight down.
Yeah, so I think that should be okay.
And we have a lot of the punishers we have, which are slanted, can go straight down. They have a decent range of.
So I think we should leave that. What we should do is see these at the bottom. We should have these massive torpedo tube things, whatever they are, which I think Jake has put on backwards.
No.
These are backwards, aren't they?
These two are backwards, yeah. Yeah, I think Jake wants to shoot the torpedoes straight into the hangar. That doesn't matter.
That's fine. It's just so we know what's where.
They're just there for scale.
Yeah, I was going to say, so we know what's there. So what I'm thinking is that we have these massive coil guns, rail guns, whatever they are. What are they? Coil guns, rail guns, coil guns. So we have this underneath. When we go into a battle, we have this. We go in guns blazing forward. These things fire, and after they are fired, the ship is rolled so that all the weapons, all the rest of the weapons, effectively come to fall. So the underside of the ship really should be the torpedoes and all of that kind of stuff that you're going to launch, and it's just going to be like that initial. Thank you for the demonstration. And it's that like a first wave, and then we turn the ship, and everything else happens. Well, at least Hayes, your gun is doing a good job up here.
Oh, huh.
It's the Hurricane Strike. Oh yeah, I had that on the Endeavour. That's exactly what I had at the top of my ship. So that is what I'm thinking, but I'm not entirely sure. What I do not want is I do not want a ship that, okay, we're going into battle, right, let's just set course 20 meters per second forward and we'll just relax. And it just obliterates everything in its path and we just sail through unhindered.
We don't know. I also need to make a lot of space for a lot more different types of point defense, because I think we need those.
Point defense, I think, yes, definitely we should have that everywhere. Also, I know we're all working on the weapons and the exterior of the ship and everything. I want to make sure we are going to have enough room inside the ship to do all our stuff, right?
Inside?
Yes, we should be fine. I'm just looking at all these.
No problem.
I'm just looking at all of these deuterium reactors. Just yes, this can be the thumbnail for the video. It doesn't give anything away. Because the only reason I'm saying that is that the hangars are obviously taking up a lot of room now. I think this is turning more into like a carrier battleship than just your bog standard. I say bog standard battleship as if a battleship is bog standard. Social Cloth, if you want, I've finished the forward pod, so if you want you can set up your weapons, your flak weapons and whatever on those forward pods on either side, and put the conveyors in. I'll put the conveyors behind all these, but this is all open for you to do what you want now. So at least those are all done. What is that?
Those won't work. Not like this.
What are they? Rocket pods?
Yeah, point defense rockets.
Ah. Would they be the sort of thing maybe you want to put on at the top of the ship?
We're gonna need these on strategical places.
Right, okay. Maybe, okay, I have a few ideas for that. They're just one by one blocks, aren't they?
They're 1 by 1 block. They're just blocks and then a certain... Yeah, it's a 1 by 2 kind of, but...
I think I've got an idea of maybe where we could put those. Oh, there's a hole. What's this hole in the ship? Okay, well, I'll leave that for now. Yeah, I haven't built in any of the conveyors or anything. I've only put the conveyors behind the thrusters, so I just wanted to leave that to you as to what you wanted to do. I can fill in the armor afterwards if you just want to put the conveyors and the weapons in.
Conveyors would be a problem, but...
The conveyors are going to be a bit annoying, but I didn't know whether you wanted the exact same plan or...
I think we should just put, like, but you made it longer. You allocated it that way, so...
Did I?
No, you made it
the
the same as this one and not the same as this one.
Yeah, no. I made it the same as this one here. 12.
So then we have armor. I think if we remove... Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, you pick up the this one on the other side.
Yeah, I'll go get it.
Just drop it somewhere. Delete it.
Yep, got it.
I think we put one of those rocket pods in there. Then we put the center. Wait, we didn't. No, we didn't put the center in. It's on there.
I'll just leave that there. See if anyone finds it. What are these? What are these?
Whirlwinds.
Drum hydrogen tanks. Okay.
Oh wait.
What else was new with the signal update?
A lot.
Some trusses and stuff.
Right. Okay. Anything else we can use? Oh, there were new antennas, weren't there?
One, I think.
Oh, just one. Okay, never mind. Because remember we were talking about that old thing about antenna sizes. Thought maybe there'd be something. In fact, let's do that. Let's have a look. So on top of the bridge we've got the antenna. Oh, actually, this could work. Well, not that one. Not that. Hey, the bridge now has lots of pointy stuff.
You call that lots of pointy stuff? Well, I can do some stuff with that.
We don't
Later.
have. But I was actually just looking at these different bits. This is compact antenna with the long antenna might work nicely.
Dopplers.
Yeah, that could work. Oh, we could stick a little gun. Could we stick some point defense right at the top up here?
Yeah, some
Maybe
lasers.
those rocket pods. No, maybe those rocket pods could go up here.
Also, like
I don't know where they are. What are they called? Interceptor rocket pods?
Yeah.
You also have the Doppler radar, and you have like the laser
So,
designator. Oh, you put Dopplers in, and laser designators are good as well.
That could work, right? Now, how does it look on the bridge side, though? Oh yeah, and we could those could be conveyed in, and these lights will that would all work quite nicely.
Could you take a look at the spoiler section, Gadget?
Wing. Yep. Oh, that. Yes. This works.
How do you like the conveying?
Oh, those are actually conveyors.
No, in the,
Oh no,
the
there
middle
we are.
of the spoiler.
Inside. That works. That does work. Might need a little bit more protection here. I'm just thinking of a shot coming in. Actually, no, there shouldn't be a shot that would make its way through this without hitting that foot. I'm trying to see if there's a direct line of sight for this. There is, but it isn't. It isn't a big one from a distance. It's very small, so that's fine.
I mean, that's also what you have engineers for. To go fix it.
In space.
Indeed.
Yes, I think that works. Maybe, you know, this bit here. Maybe make that flat and then go up instead of down and up.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. I'm sort of, but I'm also finishing up. I'm gonna find something to put into these spaces between the cannons, so it looks nice.
You know what I've also realised is that the way we've done this, we could actually put doors out here and you could walk out.
There was a window. I removed it.
Okay, we can replace it with a door, and actually.
Then we have access to.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, we can put a door at the end here. Yeah, sure.
So if you maybe take out this bit, put windows here, put windows here.
I was thinking about using the. But they're 45 degrees. I was thinking about using this lattice work, but that could still work.
Yeah. So if we remove this middle pillar.
Oh yeah, that's going.
So
that was just for placing.
So if we get rid of that now, you could get maybe windows in here, these end bits, a door perhaps here, and what are these trusses? So maybe the trusses, we could extend the trusses through the middle. Would that work? Oh no, it might not because of the whole one block, one thing, isn't it?
This could be used for antennas as well.
What's that?
Where's the bottom hangar doors gonna be?
Truss decoy. Okay, yeah, we could put
I am
those.
acting under the assumption that we don't have any.
Okay.
But I'm thinking that gives us a little bit more room as well, sort of back after the ship, and then it gives us more reason to use this area. So not only does it go up to the bridge, we've got like external access. And it sort of makes sense as well. Oh, you need to do maintenance on the thruster pods at the back. Oh look, you come out here and there they are. They're right here. So that, yes, definitely have to put doors in. Let's have a look at what windows. For this one, I think we have to put those standard windows. Oh no, armored windows? We have those things, right? Or windows with catwalks on them. Windows. Not 3x3. Do we not have a one? We have 1x2 somewhere, right? It's these ones, yes. Which way are they supposed to go? Okay, that doesn't quite... Oh no, wait, I can use the inverted one. What do you think, Hayes?
Where?
There's an actual window here now, with the catwalk behind it. So we can actually airtight this thing.
What about?
But these bits are not airtight, are they?
They should be.
Sure.
Really?
What are these? So, Sociopath has something up back. I was just trying to figure out what they are.
You're making armor. You're preparing for a battle zone.
We can get boarded.
What? Yeah. So we're thinking this is going to be an egress to the back of the ship.
Yeah. So you definitely don't want this to be plain open and.
No, we're working on it. Oh, these barricades.
Something like that, yeah.
Okay.
Embrasures.
What do they call them?
Embracers?
Embrasures.
Embrasures. Provides cover while allowing you to keep up the pressure on your enemies. Okay. Oh look, there's a hole in the floor. Where does this go? Oh, it goes to the sub deck. Gee, that's a good idea.
So, can we do it like this, and then we have...
Oh, we don't have any of those doors, do... Oh, yes we do. Yes we do, yes we do. Oh, this is not going to work. Because this does not have a... I was going to put an airlock door in the roof. But
how does this...
cannot.
I'm not going to put it here, I just want to... That's those swanky new doors.
Yeah, narrow door. They're good for maybe crew quarters or things like that. I think for this, we obviously want probably a full size door, but we can for internal doors that could work. Oh yes, they have corridors as well now. Does that make the corridor bits we have now obsolete?
No.
You can't even move through the...
Do you know, I think it might.
No,
the AQD ones may have been replaced by these. Possibly.
Are you talking about the... Where'd they go?
Why is there no solid single wall piece? Oh no, I would like do it like this.
You mean these new blocks?
So look at your wall, Hayes, if you remove that thing.
Yeah.
I mean, this is good, but we have a problem. Okay. I mean, enemies are boarding. We're going to board the ship. Oh, look, weapons. Some extra weapons.
I said that's why you put it. Yeah, maybe what Hayes is doing, lock it down and then put a. Do we have a door there? Something like a gate.
I feel like this has gone very, very off-piste.
Something like this, but just needed
offset.
Yeah.
In the meantime, let's see what Jake is up to.
I'm using the power of dark magic to try and connect armor blocks in a satisfying way.
That's pretty much what we're trying. Would you like me to get rid of the floating bits of armor?
What floating bits of armor? Oh, those. Yeah, sure.
What's the problem? Oh. Yeah, that's always fun to play with. There we go. Changing angles like that.
There is a way. I know there is a way.
There probably is.
I've made it glass doors now.
If we had more mods, then it would have been easier, yes.
If we had more mods, Jake would still be loading.
Oh, that was the door I was looking at before.
Actually, no, I've had a computer upgrade since last I was here, so I'm actually running smoothly.
Ooh. Maybe, well, I'm trying to be very selective with the mods, but if we do need a specific mod, then yeah.
I think I need to do I need to do it like that, or I would leave that maybe as a graded one.
Okay.
I'm going to change this because this is annoying.
How's that?
And I don't think we should put it here. We should probably put the normal fire covers.
That might not work either. No, wait, that will work because there's some weird block that I know that's supposed to go in here. That wasn't it. No, that is it. Goes there.
So,
And then that goes there.
Mhm.
So, Hayes, I'm unfortunately ruining your entire design, so please feel free to go back and undo
Of course you are.
what I've done. That wasn't quite... it sort of works. Maybe.
Where? Where did you destroy my beautiful works?
Oh, just round the outside at the front of this section. I'm just trying to... Where are you? Over here, just at the front. I'm just trying to get this to work, this bit. The up-down didn't work, so I got rid of it, flattened it, then I moved it around, then I realised that that does not connect to that properly.
Yeah,
and then-
no.
But it doesn't always have to connect properly. Yeah.
But that's why I had it the way it was, because that actually looked nice.
No, the up-down didn't work.
Mhm.
But maybe just cutting this out then instead.
There we go, like that. That was the intended design.
Oh, that wasn't there.
No, because I hadn't finished, because people kept asking me to do stuff.
Ah,
Like that.
okay, maybe I can just put a little corner here. Maybe that corner will just fix it.
Mm.
Yeah, there we go, that'll do. Fixed. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
What?
That.
Oh. How many? Oh. Mine. Look, you see, this is why we need a gun here.
Did you not hear all of our main guns going off a couple of
Yes,
moments?
but they're in the front. Oh,
No,
that's
that was
funny.
front and rear that were going off.
By the way, how do you like my use of the staircase on the slope?
Staircase, Oh yes, this works as long as it's airtight. It actually looks quite neat.
Yeah.
So where is that mod? Right, we have railings. We have. Oh, the modular thrusters are still in here. Okay, so that's
yeah,
good to
I
go.
haven't.
That's fine.
I
Let's just
had to
gotta make sure
remove the
not to use that.
module.
The one mod that we do not have is that pipes mod.
No, I've been using the Neo tubes.
Neon tubes, cool. Yeah, that would look. That's something we need to start considering as well for a bit of detail at the back. Because I think the back of the ship is the bit that's probably the closest to completion in terms of exterior. I mean, the whole engine design is
The engine is done.
That's all done. This foil wing bit is done. This bit is all done. That underside we can work on a little. These thruster pods probably could have some connection somewhere. The hangar bay opening is done.
Oh, Gadget, you want to take a look at the
Yeah, that's
piping
all
and
done.
the spoiler now? I changed it slightly. Also the old bit.
This works. This works even better. Question though, what's its integrity?
Ah, who cares? It looks nice.
Okay. Yes, that does look much nicer. I do like this concept of gratings and glass covering industrial pipe work.
Yeah, I use gratings all over on my own ships.
I did want to, down here, I wanted to maybe make another bit of access right here. There's a hole. I didn't make the hole, but I thought,
Or going down?
yeah, because this just goes to a subdeck.
I mean,
I wanted to put a ladder there, but
you're You're
It's not
talking
working.
integrity and security. Wouldn't it make more sense to put a little staircase inside this area then?
Yes.
Because, having a staircase outside on the hull.
Oh, most
any
certainly.
idiot could
This is not safe in the slightest.
Yeah,
Look,
that
it's
hole
gone.
that hole is there because I needed to be able to move in and out, and you're not painting the same color as the rest of us.
No, I'm not.
Shift
And I don't know why,
Haste.
because my colors are supposed to be default. But I've never
Yeah?
had the same color grey.
Why or where is the connection here?
right under the grating there.
I wonder if
What did I
field
do?
of view
And
here.
the next grating. There. Oh, you need turrets. Okay. Haha. Yeah, that should be. You should be able
Okay,
to
this
replace
is
that.
a reinforced conveyor block.
That's fine. That's fine.
So we need to
No,
remove
no, 80
that
does
one,
not work.
that one, and then we need to replace it with reinforced Oh, what?
No, it
Did
doesn't
this-
really.
Oh, we did. I just deleted the gun.
Oh, you
here.
deleted a turret. Whoopsie doodles.
Or you did.
No, I didn't delete anything. Don't blame me.
Blame Hayes.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. Blame me.
Then I want a.
So I'm just
you
messing
want to
around
put that
with my
one.
field of view now. Ooh, external doors, maybe.
Okay, done. Fixed.
Extra doors.
Now, if you can just find the turret again. Oops.
Thought it was that. Yeah, what is it? The whirlwind, wasn't it?
Bridge module.
I don't know. There's a 3x3x1.
I think it was a whirlwind. No, not the whirlwind. It's the. It was the treasure. I think. I believe I placed there.
I cannot remember what I put back there.
Damn. So, are you gonna have all these
Messy conveyors.
stupid amount of weird guns on the spoiler?
Oh yes, all those guns are supposed to be there on the wing.
Oh,
It is a gun.
wow.
It is effectively a gun pod.
Okay. I mean, they're all gonna go now. Bye bye.
Well, what's happening to them?
There's no conveying under them, and if
They
just
don't
delete-
need
They
conveying.
didn't need conveyors.
what?
a laser.
They were
Is there
laser
any-
weapons.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Unless he suddenly changed it and.
No, I made sure that none of them needed conveyors.
Can we not have a space between them at least? It looks so.
Yeah, we can.
big.
You can. You
And
can.
then-
Yeah, you can do one. No, that. Yep. Okay.
No. Wow. Okay. I was thinking the space on the other side.
Yeah. So
can
you
add
have
another
4
one
of them,
at the
not 3
Yeah.
of them.
No.
That's fine.
It's graphic.
I mean,
yeah,
if
this should be fine anyway.
if you want, you could push them up one further forward as well.
I think they look nice here. They're sort
I
of a bit
just
centered.
wish I can. We could have put the saber missiles and stuff on the large grid ships.
Did you see the Gatling guns that Sauce put in front of the torpedo launchers?
I
Okay.
have. Are they not facing the wrong way though?
Yeah, they're facing to protect.
Yeah, there's gonna come attacks from any direction, so.
No,
you
I
have
mean-
the
I mean
lasers
in this
pointing
sort
the
of-
other way.
Paused position. I guess they can face forward like that. I mean, it is just forward backwards. So yeah, it's
Yeah.
just that they're facing forward and everything else is facing backwards.
Yeah.
Good to be prepared. What if a missile comes in from that angle?
It's called redundancy gadget.
Exactly.
No, redundancy would be
We
2
could
of
have,
the
I
same.
could have
These are very
done-
different,
Yeah, we could have done these.
but it still works. And I think with that working, this is probably a good time to end this video as well. So, a lot has happened in this. The ship has very much taken shape. It is getting there. Can we just paint the ship all in a smooth or a normal color paint just for a moment so I can
It is in a
take
normal color paint.
a look? Okay. Not in battered armor.
What do you want then?
Just clean armor. Just for a moment. We can go back to the battered armor in a bit. I just want to see what it all looks like with clean armor. And
It's ugly.
That looks nasty.
that does not look very good.
But this isn't a standard color one, isn't this? Is the clean specific, right?
This is the
Try
clean
normal.
one.
How about the normal? What's that one?
This
That's-
Thick?
That's normal.
It is.
No,
No,
this
that-
isn't. It cannot be.
This is the sci-fi.
Okay, this is normal.
Ah,
Yeah, that's normal.
okay, there we
Which
go.
one is
Just
it then?
to have a quick look
That's
at
better.
along the ship. Interesting. Some of the blocks just look a bit weird in normal, that's all. But it all works, or a lot of it works. The size of the ship is working. The hangar is coming along. The bridge section is coming along. Hayes, you know your bridge section actually looks ridiculously armoured.
Hey, is it possible to just change the windows of the bridge to the new windows?
We could put bay windows
They-
up there, yep.
They're not double height though.
And there we go.
That's
All the way around. There's the engine pods, which definitely work with these recessed turrets. Some neon lighting over there, all the way across.
Unless you put these
New
up.
trusses makes it look like these have ladders and stuff. The trusses really do add detail. They are very good. Those combined with these neon lights work really well. Front guns, the front of the ship still needs a little bit of work. We're going to get some guns on there, windows, things like that. But the front profile is done there. Obviously, the bottom of this hangar bay will still need to be done. But aside from that, things are looking good for the exterior. And then, of course, we work on the interior. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to click on the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on Space Engineers. Leave a comment in the comments box below letting us know what you think. Don't forget to support me on Patreon if you can do so. Link in the description box below, as are links to my social media and Discord. Also, go check out Zero Jake's channel at Zero Jake on YouTube. There's also a floating bit of ship. Oh, this bit has been floating away for ages. It's managed to get here. Okay. That is all from me, Jake, Hayes, and Sociopath. And we shall see you next time in Space Engineers.
No, the corner ones are better.
Yeah, aren't they though?
In
Yeah.
in an hour, this piece has reached here.